My name is Elisa. Let's go. Hi guys, today we're going to make again.
Quack, 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 quack. Yes, sige, go.
Hi guys, today we're going to make Hi guys, today we're going to make Halloween marshmallow treats for my school.
Are you ready?
The next day.
Hi guys, I'm trick-or-treating in my school. I'm gonna have 1,000 candy. I haven't eaten my candy from June's trick-or-treating.
Nice.
Punta ka daw sa office. Ay, oh.
Arigato!
Alicia! Sige, go.
Bye-bye.